2.5 years ago, I signed up for an Etsy store, and I never put anything on it until now. So if you're interested in purchasing some of my work, feel free to look for Cammy's Garage on Etsy. If you're really interested in any of the things that you've seen me build on my channel, you're always free to contact me directly at cammysgarage@gmail.com. On that note, I wanted to put this bowl on Etsy as well, but there were some issues with it. During the drawing process, there was a crack that appeared right here. Also, the finishing on the inside could be a little bit better. There's torn out grain in here. But this is rainbow poplar, and this top ring is made from purple heart and zebra wood. So I'm going to attempt to refinish this. This bowl was already finished with an oil-based wipe on burner, so I'm going to have to try to take that off. I'll start with the 180 grit. Now that I've got it sanded back, and you see this crack here, since it's filled with sawdust. I turned this bowl a couple of years ago, and this crack appeared after it was finished. Anyway, I'm going to try to fill it with some CA glue. And we'll just let that dry for a minute. I'm sure you're probably wondering what's the story about this. Well, as I was turning this broke and flew off, this one piece here. So I just sanded these corners off and made it a feature. I mean, that was an intentional design choice. Some glue on the inside now. That's probably dry enough. Back to more sanding. Trying to minimize the torn grain in here. Alright, so I've hand sanded this up to 320. Now I'm going to put some Danish oil on it just to bring out the color, because this piece of wood is really, really nicely colored. And then I'm going to put some spray lacquer on it. This really is a pretty piece of wood. You can still see the crack a little bit, but once I put oil on it, it's either going to make it worse or better. Well, you can still see the crack. It's been minimized at least. So we'll just let that dry overnight. Put some spray lacquer on it tomorrow.